What's the meaning of Brigham Young? Brigham Young. Brigham Young.
Brigham Young. Brigham Young. Brigham Young was an American religious leader and politician who played a significant role in the early history of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, LDS. He was the second president of the LDS Church and led the community from Illinois to Salt Lake City, Utah in the mid-1800s. He was also the first governor of the Utah Territory and worked to establish the area as a thriving hub for agriculture, commerce, and education. Today, Brigham Young is remembered for his leadership and contributions to the growth and development of the LDS Church and the state of Utah.